Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss collision resolution techniques. So linear probing. In the previous video we discussed one of the collision resolution techniques, that is separate chaining. So we discussed the advantages and disadvantages of this separate chaining. Okay, so now we are going to discuss this linear probing. So what is meant by probing? Probing is nothing but searching for an empty cell for insertion. Searching. So probing is nothing but searching. So searching linearly. Searching linearly means searching sequentially. That's why the name here it is called as a linear probing. We will search sequentially one by one bucket in the hash table to resolve the collisions. So that's why this is called as linear probing. So in linear probing, so what is the hash function used? So general hash function here we will use is, general hash function we will use here it is small h of key equal to key modulus hash table size. If we apply this one whenever collision occurs, if collision occurs, then the hash function used is h of k equal to small h of k, means whatever the value you will get after applying this, small h of k plus I linearly. That's why here it is I modulus hash table size is the general hash function used in the linear probing. If collision occurs, now if there is no collision, apply this one. If collision occurs, then apply this hash function to insert an element. Now consider an example. Now the elements are 10, 18, 26, 20, 16 and then 38. For example, these are the elements, and assume the hash table size equal to 10. Now how can we insert the elements into the hash table? By using linear probing. So consider hash table size 10. So bucket numbers are starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now one by one how to insert. First key is 10. So small h of 10 equal to, so 10 modulus hash table size is 10, 0. That means it is inserted in 0th bucket. So 10 is inserted in 0th bucket. Next 18. H of 18 equal to 18 modulus 10, which is equal to 8. So 18 is inserted in 8th bucket. Next 26. H of 26 equal to 26 modulus 10 equal to 6. So 26 is inserted in 6th bucket. Next 20. H of 20 equal to 20 modulus 10, which is equal to 0, inserted in 0th bucket. But 0th bucket is full here. If you observe, 0th bucket is full, which means collision occurred. If collision occurs, then how can we insert? This h of capital H of 20 equal to small h of 20 plus I modulus hash table size 10. Put I equal to 1. Small h of 20 is 0. 0 plus 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. So 20 is inserted in first bucket. Next 16. So 16, small h of 16 equal to 16 modulus 10, which is equal to 6. So we want to insert the element in the sixth bucket. But sixth bucket is full. So collision occurred. If collision occurs, then what shall we do? Capital H of 16 equal to small h of 16 plus I modulus 10. Small h of 16 is 6. I equal to 1. 6 plus 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 7. So in the seventh bucket, so the element 16 is inserted. Next element is 38. Now here I am solving 38. So small h of 38 equal to 38 modulus 10 equal to 8. Again 8th bucket is full here. So that means here collision occurred. If collision occurs, then what shall we do? Capital H of 13 equal to small h of 38, not 13, 38 plus I modulus hash table says 10. Put I equal to 1. Small h of 38 is 8. So 8 plus 1 modulus 10 equal to 9. So 38 is inserted in ninth bucket. So like that the elements are inserted into the hash table. So in the linear probing, so clusters are formed. In the linear probing, clusters are formed. A cluster means group of elements. Clusters. This is one cluster. This is one cluster. Clusters are formed in linear probing. Cluster, here it is cluster, here it is a cluster. Now, the disadvantage of linear probing is primary clustering. Primary clustering. That means searching for an element linearly in the clusters. That means if you observe, now I want to insert, for example, I want to insert 36. For example, I want to insert 36. Okay. So now this 36, generally 36 modulus 10, here it is a 6. Sixth bucket is full. That means here collision occurred. If collision occurred, so then what shall we do? 6 plus 1, 6 plus 2, like that. So 7th bucket we will search. 8th bucket we will search. Again here collision, again here collision, again here collision, again here collision. Definitely 36 will be inserted here. That means in the entire cluster we are searching for an empty cell. That's why here it is called as primary clustering, which is a disadvantage of linear probing. Okay, consider another example. Example 2. Suppose the elements are like this: 10, 20, 21, 31, 30. Suppose if this is the case, hash table size, H size equal to 10. H size equal to 10. So then how can we construct the hash table in linear probing? So hash table size is 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now I'm not solving direct, I'm solving here directly. I'm telling. So 10 modulus 10. Okay, 0. So the element 10 is inserted in 0th bucket. Next 20 modulus 10, again 0. That means a collision occurred. Then what shall we do? 0 plus 1 modulus 10. Why? Because I equal to 1. So that means 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. So 20 is inserted in the first bucket. Now 21 modulus 10, 1 collision occurred. Then what shall we do? I equal to 1. Okay. So small h of k, that means 1 plus 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 2. So 21 is inserted in second bucket. Now 31. 31 is also modulus 10. If we apply, then you will get 1 now. Okay, then put I equal to 1. 1 plus 1 modulus 10, you are getting 2. But now 1 plus I equal to 2. This is collision now. 1 plus 2 modulus 10 equal to 3. Third bucket is free. So insert 31 here. Now 30. Where we will get 30? So I already mentioned in the linear probing the disadvantage is this one. Okay, so now how can we insert 30? So now 30 mapping address is 0, 0th bucket. So then definitely it compares or it searches all these cells, and then here only it will get the empty cell. So 30. You can solve it. For example, 30 modulus 10, which is equal to 0. Put I equal to 1. 0 plus 1 modulus 10. 1 collision occurred. Then 0 plus 2. I equal to 2. Modulus 10 equal to 2. Collision occurred. Then I equal to 3. 0 plus 3 modulus 10 equal to 3. So again collision. I equal to 4. 0 plus 4 modulus 10 equal to 4. So in the fourth bucket the element is inserted. So like that the elements are inserted in the hash table. So here this is insertion. For the remaining operations, for search operation or for deleting an element from the hash table by using linear probing, the same process here we will apply. Same hash function we will apply. Okay, so hope you understand, students. So if you have any doubt, you please send me a message in the comment box. So please share with your friends if you like the video. So thank you, students. Have a great day. Bye.